It's happening. It's happening. Why not? It's October. I can do anything I want. Heck yeah, look at that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. That was super sweet of you. So I'm coming to you barefaced today. Well, obviously not barefaced. I'm very much wearing my foundation and blush and bronzer and highlight and all of that jazz. But we are going to be finishing off my eyes together, so that's why my eyes are a blank canvas right now. But get a load of these bell sleeves. How fun are these guys? This is a Forever 21 dress from like 4 years ago, so I'm sure it is not in existence anymore. Bell sleeves just read fall to me. They give me very fall vibes, very spooky vibes. I'm feeling very Sophia Nygaard in this outfit today. Let's talk about today's spooky decoration of the day. If this is your first video of mine ever, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Giovanna and I'm thrilled that you're here. This month in my spooky series, I plan to do a lot of Halloween videos, and I thought it would be fun if in the beginning of every video I shared with you one of my cutie little spooky decorations. And today we're talking about this one. This is a little dangler sign. You can see it's broken many times and is now held together by little twist ties, but it's black and orange twist ties, so it's very cool, very spooky. I just think it's so fun. This is another one from my parents' house. If my mom could please answer in the comments again and let us know how old this decoration is, because I'm pretty sure it's as old as I am. But oh, it's just so cute. Oh, I love it so much. But that's not what this video is about. You did not click on this video to hear me chat about the origin story of my childhood Halloween decorations. No, you clicked on this video because you, like me, have an interest in creating a Halloween makeup look using craft supplies. I know a lot of times around this time of year, the spooky season, my favorite season of the year, there's a lot of Halloween makeup releases, and that was actually my last video that I uploaded on Friday, was talking about all of the new Halloween makeup releases from this year, and while a lot of them are really cute and innovative and exciting, there's definitely that underlying Halloween marketing that you know they're charging you a little bit extra just because it's the holiday, and I don't think we always need to buy into that. I think that there is a way to do Halloween makeup without necessarily having to buy Halloween makeup, and I hope to prove that here today by using my craft supplies in this makeup look. I am going to be using this little pack of stamps that I bought at Michael's. I'm going to be using this little bat confetti that I bought online, and I'm also going to be using some gold sequins. These came in a Pat McGrath lip gloss trio, and I am repurposing them because I think this is really wasteful packaging, but at the same time I want to put them in my eyes. So if that sounds like a topic that is interesting to you and you want to see me put all these craft supplies on my face, then I encourage you to please subscribe and keep on watching. So it's coming at you right now. Okay, so my plan for this look that I'm going for today is I think the colors I want to focus on are a little more black and gold, since I have these little Pat McGrath gold sequins here, and I also have these little black confetti bats that I want to put on my face. Obviously, don't order something from Pat McGrath just to get the gold sequins. That would be ridiculous, but you can definitely get gold sequins at Michael's too. I just didn't buy them because I knew I already had some and I wanted to repurpose them. But then I'm also going to be using these stamps I got from Michael's. How freaking cute are these? We got little bats here. We got a little spider web. I think the spider web is the one I want to use since I do have my confetti bats. So yeah, the focus is black and gold. I'm going to be using my Zodiac Cosmetics Virgo palette. Love this palette, love the formula of it. And I think I'm just going to try to do a basic smoky eye to start with, you know, the black and this beautiful greenish gold shade. I've been so into green lately, but this shade is the shade that I want to be focusing on much of my lid today, along with the black. So yeah, let's do that first because I want to keep the eye look relatively basic, but of course a little spooky, a little smoky, and then we will go in with all of our stuff, with all of our stamps and everything. I used to never wear black eyeshadow. I used to be so freaked out by black eyeshadow, but I think it's just because I wasn't using good eyeshadow formulas before, because I would put it on and then I would go to blend it out and it would be super patchy and it would just look so bad. But this Virgo palette from Zodiac Cosmetics is just, it's such a good formula. I mean, see how pigmented it goes on its own. It's so good. I also really like the black from my By Mellow Wops Radioactive palette. That's another really solid black that I have. I don't know if I should put black all over the lid and then I should put the green over the black so it has a base underneath. Is that a good idea? What do you guys think? Tell me. Somebody send me a message to the future. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got your message. I think you guys are telling me to put black on the lid. I hope I'm interpreting your message correctly. I am trying to read it from the past. This palette does have a little fallout. I don't care so much because it it blends really well. Normally I would not have done my base makeup first, but I wanted to save some time for the video since I knew I was going to be doing a really eye intensive look today. Grabbing a little angled brush here just so I can get a little more precise. There we go. Ooh, so pretty, so sharp. Okay, I really like the shape of these so far. I am gonna take a second to try to wipe away some of this fallout. I was definitely on me. I should not have done my base makeup first, but when will I learn? Probably never. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then come right back. Coming back real quick with hopefully a valuable life lesson for you. When you get black fallout under your eye, don't just try to go in with a paper towel and wipe it away. That is absolutely not the vibe, and I now will be completely wiping off my under eyes. So be right back in yet another minute. All right, I am back. I am mostly cleaned up for the most part. Now I have a ton of powder under my eyes to hopefully catch any more fallout should I have that issue. But you know, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to make mistakes and learn lessons so that you don't have to. Well, hopefully you learn the lessons. Moving on, so I'm gonna take this color Money from the Virgo palette here, and I am going to put that in the inner portion into the middle part of this smoky eye look I have going on here. I hope it works. I haven't tried this. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's showing up so much more green than it normally does. Wow, I love that. I gotta start working with a black base more often. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. So, how's your October going so far, everybody? It's kind of coming with a bang, hasn't it? At least here in the United States, the news has been like absolutely just wild all of the time, and I feel like October already feels like it's been like a full month, even though it's only the 4th day. Wow. But you know what, my October's been pretty good so far. I've enjoyed all of the spooky harvest moons we've been having. We had a harvest moon the other day that was so pretty. First of all, the moon was huge. It was so cool. I tried to take a picture. I'll insert it here. You can't really tell. There's my boyfriend. He's in the picture. So cute. But the moon is like freaking huge. It looked so cool, and it was orange. Oh, and we could also see Mars the other night. That was so cool. It looked like just a star next to the moon, and you could see Mars. I thought that was so cool. I love what space is doing right now. I think the moon, fantastic. My compliments to the chef. Okay, so now that we have the basic eye look done, we are ready to move on to some craft supplies, and I want to start with stamps because I'm so excited, and I have been literally working all week long to figure out the best method of ink for these stamps, because obviously you don't want to use regular craft ink. That's probably not safe for your face. Even if it says it's non-toxic, it's probably pretty likely to stain, so I would definitely not recommend using regular ink. So I've been trying a bunch of different methods. I tried it with felt tip eyeliner, I tried it with water activated eyeliner, I tried it with mascara, and I tried it with body paint, and I have found that the best method is body paint. So that is what I'm going to be using today. But I would say the second best method was felt tip eyeliner. So if you don't have face and body paint currently, you can use felt tip eyeliner, and that should be almost as good. I just found that the face and body paint work the best because I believe it's oil based rather than water based. And when I use the water activated liner on this stamp, because it's more of a silicone type of stamp, it just kind of broke apart on the stamp and I didn't get an even application. Whereas with a face and body paint, it was really easy to cover every spot of the stamp. And these are not your classic stamps, at least not what I think of as classic stamps. I think of a stamp and I think of like a rubber attachment on top that you like press down onto a piece of paper. As you can see, these are really teeny tiny and very flat. You just peel them off of this and they're stamps. They still work like stamps. You just kind of have to hold it with your finger as you go on. And we're gonna use my face and body paint palette that I got off of Amazon. It's from the brand You Can Be. It was only $14 and it comes with 15 colors. Pretty sweet deal. If you're looking for a cheaper option, Wet n Wild also makes face and body paints that are between like $4 to $6. NYX also came out with some special effects body paints, so it's definitely a pretty accessible thing to get if you are looking for face and body paints for the Halloween season or even just for everything. But I'm gonna be using the black in here. I put some of the face and body paint on my finger. Oh, it's so pigmented. I really like this palette, and I am going to use my finger to paint my little spider web stamp here, and I really want to make sure I cover every spot of the web so that it goes on evenly. An issue I had when I was using the liquid eyeliner with this, not the water activated liner, because the water activated liner just like wouldn't stay anywhere, it kept breaking apart, but with the liquid liner my issue was that I had different amounts of liquid in different areas, so when I went to press it onto my face, the web kind of like bled immediately, and you know, you could see there was like smudgy spots on it, and I felt like I didn't get that with this oil-based face and body paint. Okay, now if we could all just take a collective deep breath for me, I am going to try to go like that, like right next to where this sharp line is. Okay, it's happening, it's happening. I'm pressing down to make sure every area of the stamp is there. Big reveal. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, I probably pushed a little hard. You can see it got a little thicker. I don't even care. That looks so cute. From a distance you don't know. From a distance it just looks like a spider web. It looks so cool. Let's do the other eye. Maybe I can do a little bit better of a job on the other eye. Okay, lesson learned. I don't need to push quite so hard. This actually isn't that difficult to hold with just your fingers. I thought it would be harder because I don't have like a handle to hold on to, but if you just pinch it on the end of the stamp that doesn't have any ink spots on it, it's not so bad. Okay, try to hit that angle here. Oh boy, don't push too hard, just press very lightly. And big reveal. Oh, okay, that looks better, I think. There's definitely a little bit of bald spots, but I can fill that in with an eyeliner. Okay, so I definitely did the spider web differently on both sides. I did not mean to do that, but you know what? It's 2020. Nothing is the way it's supposed to be, so it only makes sense that my makeup should reflect that, and I kind of dig the asymmetrical look. You know, it's a spooky look. That's what's fun about the Halloween season, is that you can mess up your makeup and like own it and say it's a spooky look and nobody can question you. Nobody can question you anytime, but nobody can especially question you during the month of October. So in conclusion, I will not be questioned. Okay, I think I want to try my little star stamp too. I think I want to put this above my eyebrows. Why not? It's October. I can do anything I want. Okay, okay. Ah! Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, my hair got caught in the middle. Of course it did. I'll touch that up with eyeliner afterwards. Okay, now I'm gonna go in above my other eyebrow here. Will it be symmetrical? Who knows? Okay, cool, cool, cool. I did get a little bit of a smudgy here, but I'll just go in with a clean finger and that will be fine. Are they symmetrical? Of course not, but that's okay. It's not a symmetrical look. It doesn't have to be. That was so fun. Okay, let's move on to some of my confetti, my little bat confettis and some of my little gold sequins. Okay, so my hair keeps getting in my face and into my makeup, so I found my little bat ears that I wore last year when I was a bat for Halloween, and I thought it could be a cute little headband. Oh, how fun, and everything just got 40 times cuter. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my little confetti bats. I think I want to do the bats first. They're like a main character on this makeup look today, whereas I feel like the gold sequins are gonna be like our supporting characters that just kind of fill in the blanks. So let me grab some bats here. Oh, they're so cute. I had a lot of trouble finding bat confetti that was the right size that I wanted. A lot of them were made to be like table confetti. You know, they used to see at like kids' Halloween parties where there's just like little confetti characters on the table. So a lot of them were too big. But I was able to find these teeny tiny cute ones on Amazon. So where should we put them? Maybe one here above the brow. I love that we're including the brows in this look today. I never include makeup up here aside from like foundation, but today we're gonna put some sequins there. And the way that I'm going to apply these is with some lash glue. So hopefully those will stick. And like you would do with like lashes, I'm gonna try to let the lash glue get a little bit tacky so that the lash glue doesn't like spread out all over my face. While I'm waiting for this guy to dry a little bit, what are you guys being for Halloween this year? Nobody ever answers me in the comments when I ask. Maybe you guys aren't planning on doing costumes this year, in which case let me know that and let me know why. I know that none of us are really gonna be going out for Halloween this year, but I just think it's so fun to dress up. Even if you just dress up to like sit down and watch a movie, I don't know, I think that's kind of fun. I love dressing up. I love deciding on costumes. Last year we were bats and I wore these cute little bat ears and I have little bat wings too, and it was just such an easy but really fun costume to do. Okay, so I think this is dry enough. Oh, he's so reflective. I love him. Wow. Oh, that's stuck immediately. So cute. Oh, I love how reflective he is. He's not sparkly, but he's very shiny, and I love that. Okay, let's put one on the other eye. Okay, question for you guys. Do you think it would be too much if I put a bat just in like the center of my forehead here? Did you say yes? I'm hearing no. I'm hearing no from everyone. I'm hearing a lot of words of encouragement actually in my head, so we're just gonna do it. Is he straight? No, let's even him out a little bit. I think that's really fun. I think this ties the whole look together. Obviously we still have my sequins to put on, and then I feel that will really tie the whole look together. I'm almost creating kind of like a spooky crown on my forehead here, and I think that's really gonna be solidified when I add these gold sequins, which I'm dropping everywhere. These little gold sequins here, which I am repurposing for my Pat McGrath package. Let's start by putting one next to my furthest bat away. Heck yeah, look at that. What if I try putting a little glue just directly onto my forehead? Do we think that'll work? I don't know. Is it good for my skin? Probably not, but we were gonna put glue on there anyways, so let's see how that works. I'm still gonna let it dry for a second. That's why I don't do crafty videos like this very often, because I feel like they involve so much patience, of which I have none as a Virgo, but I do really like the results, so I will do my best to be patient. This cute look though, I really like how it's coming together. Okay, let's see if that'll stick any better. Oh, heck yeah, that stuck pretty easily. All right, cool. Okay, I just have one left to do, and I think I'm gonna stick with this glue method. Stick, do you get it? It's glue. Let me get some on my eyebrow. Can't tell jokes while you're working with glue. The lash glue I am using, in case you were curious, it is from Kiss. I like this one because it comes with a little brush. I'm still not good at using lashes, but I do feel like having a little brush like this to sweep it on the lashes is easier, and especially for the purpose I'm using it for, which is for sequins, I feel like it's easy to just swipe it on like that. Whereas with the duo glue, you get a little squeezy tube. You always squeeze out way too much. It's not possible to squeeze out the right amount, and it's just so messy. So I like a lash glue that has a little brush on it. Oh, heck yeah, that looks so cool. Yes, I've created a little spooky crown for myself. Ah! Let me put some mascara on, take a minute to muse about what I might do next, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I added some mascara, I added some black eyeliner to my lower lash line, which I never do. It looks so odd to me, but I feel like it's making it very spooky. And I added some black lipstick, which is actually not black lipstick, it's just that same black from my Face and Body palette. So if anyone has a black lipstick they want to recommend, definitely leave it down below, because this is like, there's no transfer proofing here at all whatsoever. But I thought that a black lip would really tie the look together. But with that, I think we have our finished look. I wasn't sure if I was gonna add any more sequins or anything, but honestly, I think if I add more, it's gonna be too much. I like how symmetrical everything is, minus the spider web, which is in a different direction than this one, but I really like how everything is looking. I love that I have this like little crown going on here. I left my bat wings on because I kind of feel like I am the bat princess right now, and that's kind of the look we ended up with today, and I really, really like it. I love my little confetti bats, I love my little sequins, I love my little stamps. Oh my gosh, this was so fun. And once I got the hang of it, it was easier to do. I think you just have to get used to how to hold them with your fingers, and I think it's just getting used to the amount of body paint that needs to be on here and the amount of pressure you put on when you're actually stamping it. Because if I stamp it too hard, it definitely does get a little thicker. You know, it bleeds just a little bit. Not as bad as when I did it with eyeliner, but it does still bleed if you press down too hard. But I really, really like how these stamps worked out. I think these were so fun. I think the bat confettis were so fun. They definitely worked really well with the lash glue. I just have to remember to let the lash glue get super, super tacky. I also liked putting the lash glue on my forehead and then sticking them to them, rather than trying to put the lash glue on the little confetti and waiting for it to dry. So those are all the lessons that I learned in this video, and I hope that they can help you learn when you try to recreate this on yourself, if you do. And if nothing else, I encourage you to go buy some Halloween stamps, because these are really fun. Even if you don't want to put them on your face, you can put them on your letters. You can put them on your ballots when you mail them in. I mean, maybe don't put them on your ballots. I don't know if that would invalidate your ballot. I actually have spooky regular stamps too. I have my spooky stamps for my face, and I have my spooky stamps for my letters. How fun are these? Shout out to the USPS for providing some cute spooky stamps for me. I was able to put this on my absentee ballot, so my absentee ballot could also be super spooky. So I thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new spooky videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday all October long. So be sure to subscribe for that. Also, please check out my description box for everything I'm wearing on my face today, as well as a ton of Black Lives Matter resources, including petitions to sign, places to donate, and ways to help protesters. I am also going to single out a link to register to vote in the description box. Please check that out so you can at least find out if you're registered, and if you're not, you can get registered so you can request your absentee ballot. Also, I'm going to single out a link for Louisville Mutual Aid, so please check that out as well. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!